guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I've actually been trying with this whole consistency thing, anyhow, so today I'm back with another video. Today I'll be reviewing this hair I got from Hot Beauty Hair. Let me show you. This is the box. I already opened it, so this is just the cover you get. Ignore the sound of the chair because it's very loud for no reason. And also my bonnet. Actually, what's wrong with the bonnet? Like, okay, I'm wearing a bonnet and okay. It's a curly wig with a band, so it's not going to be hard to install. I don't need to have any glue or anything. This is a sponsored video, so I was sent this hair to make a review, and I will give you guys my honest opinion about how I feel about this hair, and that's all it's going to be, an honest opinion on this hair, and also show you how to wear this hair and how to prep the hair as well. I like the color already, really. Can you look at that? The hair feels nice, honestly. I like the color already. I don't think I have any wigs in this color actually. Only one wig that I dyed myself. I wasn't impressed with that hair. I really wasn't impressed. So this is the band I use for my wigs that I do not use glue to lay down, especially my fringe wigs, which is only one I have, to be honest, and even my closure wigs. I use this band and I just put it on my head, and it stays really firmly and it doesn't move. It does move, but it doesn't move as much. Like, I can't say it doesn't move because that's impossible for it not to move, but it's really firm. You can actually pull on the hair and it won't move like that. Really, it's very effective. I got it from Amazon, and I'll find the link and I'll put it down below for anyone that's interested. This is actually what I use for work, so when I'm going to work I just put it on my head and I put on my wig. This has the Hot Beauty Fringe Bubble Curly Wig. It's 100, it has a density of 180%. It's 8 inches, so it's really short, and it's in the color TB30, so that is brown with black roots. I really like that. It comes with a band on the inside of the hair, so you don't have to worry about it being too loose, so that's why it feels snug. It doesn't have a lace. All I did was put in the leave-in conditioner in this hair and I dried it. At first, yeah, I was kind of iffy because it was looking really flat, but I now said, okay, let me blow dry it and see if the puff will come out. So there was this look I was trying to go for. I don't know how long this the curls will last because because, like, I don't know, it's kind of like a tricky one. I really don't know how long the curls will last, but I feel like I want it to be one of those afro wigs. I love the bangs, I love the color, and it didn't shed that much. Honestly, I'm actually okay. I actually like this hair, and this is something different from what I'm used to, so I'm happy. You know, you get the vibe. It didn't shed when I was messing with it. I don't really know how long the curls will last, so that's just one problem, because I feel like the curls, it's best for an afro wig. But you know what, I will get a mousse. I'll try it with a mousse and see how it works, because I feel like if I used a mousse instead of a leave-in conditioner, it would have worked better. Do you get what I mean? But right now, I like how it looks. I like the look right now, but there's a look I'm trying to achieve with it. I'm trying to make hair more puffy. So yeah, this is the 180 density TB30 brown with black roots hair from Hot Beauty Hair. This is the Fringe Bubble Wig, and I'll be putting the link down below for those of you that might be interested. This is a really new look for me. You know, this is really nice for all those Nollywood themed things, you get. I really like this. I'm actually looking like my mom right now because she loves hair like this. Like, she likes this type of hair, and honestly I can see why, because it actually fits my face so well. So maybe I'll puff it out some more and we'll see. I'm going to definitely wear this hair more. I'm gonna wear it more because I like it, and actually I'm happy with it. So it doesn't shed. It didn't shed for me, at least. I don't know how long the curls will last, so that one I don't know. I don't really know if it's going to bounce back if I use mousse, if it's going to bounce back if I try to puff it out and use mousse again. I highly doubt it, but I'll try that. And I'm going to take some pictures with this hair. For those of you that would like to see more of it, I will do that for you. But if there are any changes in this hair, I will make a second review. But I highly doubt that there's going to be any changes in this hair because I really see myself wearing this hair a lot. And yeah, thank you for watching this far, and don't forget to check out my other videos. Yeah, so I'll see you all in my next videos. Thank you all for watching. Bye.